Welcome back, you guys. I am so excited. Today is the next part of our braiding series that I'm going to be doing, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do just a basic French braid. So this braid is just a normal 3-strand braid. The last one that I showed you was a Dutch braid where the braid sat on the outside, and this one it actually sits underneath, so it's just a smoother braid. So I'm going to just break it down a little bit and just show you guys exactly how to do it. So I hope that you guys enjoy and that you guys get something out of this today. Okay, I am going to go ahead and get started. So my hair has been styled for a couple days now. It's like third day, I believe, and I have a little bit of product in it. I have some texturizing mousse, some texturizing hairspray, and then just a leave-in conditioner. And it has been all sorts of things in the last couple days. So it has like a lot of just natural like texture to it. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to French braid, and I'm just going to do just a very simple hairstyle with it just so I can teach you guys the basics of it and you guys can start to feel comfortable with it yourself. So just like on the last one, I'm going to start on this section of my hair. This time I'm not going to have my bangs down because I just feel like I want to be able to show you guys the versatility of it with having bangs and not. So it's going to be shorter hairs right there, but you also should still be able to do it just fine without bangs, with your hair being longer there. So it might be a little bit more challenging, but it's still doable. So just to get started, we're going to go ahead and so you're going to start on your part line, and I'm going to take a section that's just about 2 inches or so across and just go at a diagonal. I'm going to take the section here and divide it into 3, just like you would with the last braid. So with a normal French braid, instead of going under like the Dutch braid that I showed you guys, you're going to take it and go over top of the middle. So you're going to start with either outer side and then flip it over and make it the new middle piece from the top. So I'm going to do just a normal braid the first time, go over to the middle. So then this piece here is now going to be the middle piece. Grabbed hair as I shown it. Then I'm going to take this back piece and make it the new middle piece. So I've done either side once, and then I'm back to, I started on the piece away from my face and I'm back to that one. So now that that one is in the middle right there, I'm going to take a small strand of hair to add to it. And I'm going to take that and add it to that center piece. So now that middle piece now has a lot more hair in it. So I'm going to do the same thing, flip that bottom piece closest to my face over, make it the new center piece. And then I'm going to take some hair from underneath here and add it to the center. So again, I'm going to take that piece furthest away from my face, flip it, make it the new middle piece, flip it to the middle, and then add hair to that. And then I'm just going to keep repeating that. This top side. And now I'm just going to do a normal braid. So you take that outer and make it the new middle and just always go over. Take it and just secure it with a little hair elastic. Just secure the bottom of it there. Then from here you can go in and loosen it up a little bit if you would like, or you can leave it. So I'm going to take I'm going to take it and hold it back towards where I want it to be, and it's kind of poofing out funny. So I'm just going to even that out a little bit just to add a little bit more volume. I don't like my hair completely flat against my head, so this way you can just kind of pull on the outer part, like the hair that you added into the braid. If you pull on that just a little bit, you can loosen it up without actually pulling the braid itself apart. Then you can go in and also, just like how I showed you guys on the last braid, take this piece and pull it apart a little bit. Then you can also go in where that actual braid is and pull it just a little bit. You don't want to do it too much because you can either mess the braid up or make it look very messy, but just to soften that, loosen it up just a little bit. And there you go. That is how you French braid. I'm just going to go ahead and just throw up the rest of my hair with it and just make it into a hairstyle on its own. Alright, I got my hair just thrown up in a ponytail and just situated a little bit, but I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys learned something from this video if you have not figured out how to French braid yet, and I hope that you guys can get something out of this and watch it a handful of times if it's a little bit difficult still when you first start doing it, but actually getting your hands in your own hair and starting to do it makes it so much easier to actually get it down and learn exactly what you're doing. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you liked it, please hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button as well, which is either going to be in the corner or it's going to be down below. And if you do that, it helps me out, and then it also is going to show you guys whenever I have new videos posted. So I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!